Kita panggilkan peserta dengan nomor tampil 4. Ada Syarifah Aisyah dari SD Islam QURANI Banda Aceh.
Bawa aja.
Oke, wah. Juga banyak propertinya ya. Oke, ini dia Syarifah Aisyah, silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Syarifah Aisyah. I am a student from SD Islam QURANI Banda Aceh. I gonna tell you the story about Mama Always Knows. I gonna introduce you to Tio and his family. Tio, the youngest in the family, calm yet energetic, loves to try new things. Tiwi, Tio's elder sister, smart and very caring sisters. Mom, Tio and Tiwi's mom, strict yet loving, knows everything. Dad, Tio and Tiwi's dad, protective dad and playful dad. Okay, now let's get to the stories. One day, Tio and sister play in the house, but Mama, where's my toy? Asked Tio. Mom, where's my boo? Asked Tio's older sister Tiwi. Each day, Tio and Tiwi asked Mama, where is this thing and where is that? And Mama always knows. Toys and books are scattered. Mama always put their toys into a box, so they are tidy. The books are stored on a shelf, so they are tidy too. Tio and Tiwi don't realize it, but sometimes Mama gets tired cleaning their toys and looking after them. She has less time to sleep herself because she must tidy up all their things. One day, Mama used to go away for a few days. Tio left. His toys scattered everywhere. His sister Tiwi is now better with her books. Once again, toys and books are scattered. But there is no Mama around who always tidy up and put them in the right place. Where's the toys of mine? And where is my book? Tio and Tiwi, as usual, could not remember where they had put their things. This time, there is no Mama who always knows where everything is. Oh, what should we do? They both think hard. I have an idea, said Tiwi. Let's tidy everything up, just like Mama always does. Tio nods in agreement. He thinks the same idea too. Tio and his sister get to work. They put all the toys into a box and got everything neat and tidy. The books are stored on a shelf, neatly just where Dad's books are also neatly stored. Here is the toy that Tio was looking for. And here is the book that Tio is looking for. They are so happy. Now they know where those things are put, just like Mama always does. Tio and his sister play hide and seek all of their things. Tiwi mentioned one item and Tio goes look for it. They take turns doing it. They always succeed because it's very easy to find something if everything is tidy and put in the right place. Tio and Tiwi feel happy. Starting from now, Tio and Tiwi are determined to always tidy up all their own position, so they can be just like Mama in this story. Mama is really pleased. When she comes back home, she then gives Tio and Tiwi a little cake. The end. Oh yeah guys, do you know what is the moral of this story? Can you guys tell me what is the moral of this story? the moral of this story is, if you put everything or all your thing in the right place, you can always find it. It's easy to find something if everything is put in the right place. So, you can be just like Mama in this story, or brother or sister, whatever. You can be just like this. Okay guys? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.